So guys, I am at the venue here at Mantri Mall in Koramangala, where I'm going to see Fossils live here in Namma, Bengaluru. Now I've come quite early. It's almost 2.5 hours still remaining for the show to start, but I've come early because I wanted to stand right at the front. So yes, very excited for the show to start, and there's not too much crowd here yet, but people are slowly coming in. So guys, I came a little early, and that is why there's not much crowd yet, but some eager fans like me have already come. It's almost 2.5 hours away still, but you can see some people have already come. They are letting us in now. I'm in line. I was clicking pictures, that is why I got a little back of the line, otherwise I was actually at the very front. But yes, we are finally going in, and the Josh is high, so let's go. Guys, while I'm standing in the line, comment down your favorite Fossil song. I know every song is good and great, but just comment your favorite. Guys, if you want to know how I get to know about these concerts, comedy shows, workshops, just randomly keep checking on Book My Show. That is how I got to know about this Fossils concert, and my mind was blown. So yes, keep checking Book My Show. Hi. Two of them. There's 100. 1,000 and 200. Okay. Have a good time.
Hello. Where to collect the T-shirt? In the mobile in the T-shirt. How many left, sir? 2. And he is also there. YouTube चला मैंने.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's up, Tanuka? What's up, Tanuka?
Hi बोल दीजिए. What's up, Tanu? What's up, Tanu? Have fun.
Thank you. So guys, got the VIP band, and this is where we'll enter. Okay guys, so there was some confusion regarding the band that they gave us. We were supposed to get this fan pit band, and they gave us VIP, and we are also going to get a free t-shirt. Yes. Okay guys, so finally entering the venue. Entering the venue.
গলি সে পাঠালো উপহার একটা প্রথমে প্রেম তারপরে প্রত্যাখ্যান, সেটা তো কেচে গন্ডুস। বরং প্রথমে প্রত্যাখ্যান তারপরে প্রেম বলে ভালো, সেটা প্রেম জীবনেও ভালো, সেটা গান জীবনেও ভালো, বাংলা রকের জীবনে হলে তো সব থেকে ভালো। প্রথমে স্টেজ থেকে নামিয়ে দেওয়া হোক হোক হোক, তাতে অনেক থেকে শেখা হোক হোক হোক, কিন্তু তারপরে বাংলা রকের জয়। আমার মতো করে বলবে হোক হোক হোক, বাংলা রকের জয়, বাংলা রকের জয়, জয়। Just by holding on Chicago. I'm a bicycle tour.
So the concert is done and I loved the concert. My voice is completely gone by all the shouting and cheering for Fossils, and I also think I got gone deaf because I cannot hear anything. The sound was really loud, but no complaints at all. I loved watching them perform live. Now this was actually my second time, so the first time was in college and I was way back, but this time I was right at front watching RuPaul Islam live, and that was a dream come true. I would actually like to thank myself, but because I was randomly scrolling to book my show and I found this show. So yes, that was the end of today's video. I'm ending this video on a high note. Yes, if you like this video, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to What's Up Tanuka. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share.